Everyone
So,
needs to learn AI and have to upgrade themselves one or the other type. So why not now? And in that particular masterclass, they also shared me the structure for resume building. So I used to apply with my normal resume, which I was not getting shortlisted. But after doing this resume building using I got shortlisted in Nykaa, and I aced the interview because of the similar kind of questions which I got by giving the right prompts.
hi Tejas, glad to have you here with us. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, hi Aman. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. So I'm Tesus and I'm basically from Bangalore. I've completed my graduation in Bangalore in data science, and then my first company was Simply Learn, where I was a learner success manager. And post that, I shifted to Myntra as a consultant in men's category.
Mm-hmm.
And currently, I'm in transition to the Nykaa to a Western wear category, which is a booming industry right now.
Oh,
So
that's
yeah.
great. That's great to hear, Tejas. So, Tejas, how did you hear about us?
Okay, actually, I come across a lot of ads, but the ads that came to my Instagram ads, which was more interesting actually, which actually connected to my current situation. I use SQL on a daily basis, but I haven't used AI with SQL. So that particular ad made me feel like I want to attend this and let's see what we can do with AI. Okay, I just joined.
Oh, that's amazing. So, how did you manage to use what you learned in a mastery course in your daily life?
Okay, so after attending the masterclass, I enrolled into the course. And after enrolling into the course, the first was generative AI and then the prompt engineering. And but the main course which I was mainly interested in was the prompt engineering. The prompt engineering, like I haven't used AI before, but after attending this Aditya's class, I mean, I felt like I attended something amazing, which no one or many of the people doesn't know.
Mm-hmm.
So the main thing is the prompt. So everyone can use AI, like give me this, give me that. That is what most of the people are using it. But the prompt engineering masterclass that they have structured is like more convenient as well as more efficient. So the prompt engineering is all about efficiency. So how to get the correct answer and the proper, I mean, the accuracy of the answer. So it is by the way that we give the prompts. So that is what the most that I learned in that prompt engineering class.
Mm-hmm.
And in that particular masterclass, they also shared me the structure for resume building. So I used to apply with my normal resume, which I was not getting shortlisted. But after doing this resume building using I got shortlisted in Nykaa. So post that, I was able to, change all my resume format structures according to the job description that Aditya GPT helped me to do it. And hence, after getting a lot, after inputting a lot of the actual prompts that I've used for the interview, and I aced the interview because of the similar kind of questions which I got by giving the right prompts.
Oh,
So
that's
yeah, that
nice.
helped me clear the interview as well. Because the prompt which Aditya told, it is similar what I typed in ChatGPT, and it almost same questions only I got.
Oh,
So
that's
yeah.
amazing. That's amazing. Would you tell us as a percentage what kind of a hike you got? I don't want the real numbers, but as a percentage, what hike did you get?
Okay, so actually they offered me 30% post the selection.
Mm-hmm.
Then again, we had to negotiate, right? So
Mm-hmm.
then I again put the same prompt, like these are the offering that they made, and which is very less. And
Mm-hmm.
why not give them a way in such a way that they should increase the offering.
Mm-hmm.
So from 30, they went up to 40 to 45%.
That's amazing.
Like
That's
this,
amazing.
he copy pasted and so yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. So basically, you were able to utilize LLMs to make your resume, to crack an interview, and to also negotiate the raise. That's amazing. That's amazing, Tejas.
Exactly.
You you have truly utilized LLM to the best extent. That's amazing, Tejas. Oh, that's so nice to hear. Would you recommend our mastery course to other people as well?
Yes, of course, to many new beginners who are finding jobs and also working professionals for their daily operations as well. But yeah, it is more suitable for the beginners who are searching for job actually mainly. And I also referred my friends who are just passing out of college as well.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. I am sure we'd be able to help them just as well. That's great. There is just one final question. Do you feel positive about future challenges given that a lot of hype around AI or a lot of news around AI?
Yes, actually, the course that they have just bought, it has a multiple, all-in-one package. So it has all the futuristic courses in that whole bunch of course that I've taken. So I'm trying to aim to complete it in a 1 or 2 year in the max, where I can mainly focus is to become a data scientist. But to get there, I need to do it one by one. And I got an all-in-one package. So yeah, I can by taking this course, I feel confident that we can keep in trend in according to the trend of this era with the AI. So yeah, everyone needs to learn and have to upgrade themselves one or the other type. So why not now?
That's great. That's very good to hear, Tejas. Thank you very much for your views and thank you very much for your time. And all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.